Hi, I'm going to give you just a very brief tutorial of VoiceThread. If you need it, I think it's pretty user-friendly, but you can always come back to this in case you have questions about something. First off, in Blackboard, you can click inside the Week 3 folder where it says click here to access the class group, and that will take you to a spot that will allow you to create an account and then automatically get into the class's actual VoiceThread group. Once you do that and complete the information, it's going to send an email to your email account. You'll need to click the link that's in that email address, and then you will get this particular message saying that you've been successfully added to the group inside the groups or the class's VoiceThread group area. So then you can actually collaborate and share when you're there. So you can click go to group, and you will see whatever has been created by class members at that point. The Billie Jean King one has been created by me as an example of what's the expectation for the class project, so you can view that if you would like to. But we're going to go up here and we're going to click create just so I can show you how to put your own materials in. You will click Add Media, or you can drag and drop your files there. So if we say Add Media, you can get that from your computer, various sources that you'll upload from. You can get a webcam photo of yourself, a webcam video, or you can go to a website and get media from that. So I'm just going to go to my computer, and I'm going to go to Pictures, and I'm just going to get a couple of images. Let's see, I don't really need a whole lot, so we'll just get a couple for now, and it will add the images in. You can add things in batches. It will allow you to add a title to the entire project. So I know this isn't really a story, but it'll be enough right now for you to see how things work. We can click on playback options, so you can allow people to comment on the threads, which we probably don't want. In this case, you want them to view the entire project. You can choose to let others download all the original media, meaning whatever images, if you want. You can allow others to export the entire project. I'm going to say no on this one. Start playing when opened, I'm going to say yes, which is the default. You can choose to let others make a copy if you want. Comment moderation would mean you have the option of letting other people listen to comments that others have made. You can automatically advance to the next slide after a certain number of seconds. This is just what it says basically, and it allows you to comment in a variety of ways. All 4 or all 5 are selected by default. And then cover art is just the image that you want of you to be displayed on the side. So I'm just going to keep that blank for now. Say save. So if I want to add additional media at any time, I can just click here and do that. And then what I'm going to do is click an image, and if I click the pencil, it allows me to edit that particular image. So I can give a title to that particular image, and I can save that. And then if I click the comment button, that will bring up the image itself, and if I click down here at the bottom, it says comment. Let me slide this down a bit so you can see it. If I click on comment, it shows that I can comment via text. I can comment via a phone, so it would give me a number to call to make the comment and record it in there. I can comment via a microphone or webcam, or if I have recorded audio using another program, I can upload that comment here. So I'm just going to click the microphone. We probably are going to get a message about the Flash player. We just say allow, and then we record. The view of Lake Tahoe from the top of the Tahoe Rim Trail was spectacular. Okay. So after you record it, it plays back for you, and you have the option of either canceling it or saving it. So I'm going to click on Save, and it will play it back for you automatically when the slide opens. It kind of shows you who recorded it here. Other people, if you allow them to, can record comments. You can always trash it. You can turn on closed captioning, which means that if you wanted your audio to show as captions, you can do that. And then if you wanted to record narration for another image, if you click this button over here, that will bring up another image, and you've got the comment options, so you can make another comment here as well. So it continues that way. You can see I'm on slide 2 of 3, so I can go through my entire slideshow that way. And then when I've completed everything that I want, I just click the X button. It doesn't get me out of the entire thing. It just gets me out of the edit mode. And I can go back in and edit anything whenever I want. I can click and drag to change the order of images whenever I want. If I have an image that would be my title slide and my resources slide, I can add those as well. And that's pretty much it. If I click Share, this gives me options in terms of how I want to share. I can either allow anyone to view or comment. In this particular project, you probably don't need people to comment, just view. But if you wanted to give people the option to comment, you certainly can. It gives you options for embedding this in another document like a web page or a blog that you create. You can also post to Facebook or Twitter automatically here. It gives you options to secure things. We probably don't need to worry about that. And then who has access? You can publish privately. You can publish, anyone can view, or anyone can comment. So this is only going to be right now people who are in the class, so we can say anyone can view and then just save the changes. It does allow us to export, so if we wanted to save it as a movie offline, we can do that as well. And that's basically it. So now anybody who goes into the class page, so if I click Home, it's now part of the class page where anybody has access to it. Only you have the access or the option of trashing your own. But that's basically it. And so just to view anybody else's, you would click it, click play. That's it. Simple.